FORA.tv. The world is thinking.
So, Daniel, can you tell us a little bit about one of these tools you've alluded to, which is Alice, out of Carnegie Mellon University, excuse me. And the Alice table has been absolutely full all weekend. Why do you think that is?
Sure. Well, Karen already said it. It's fun. But specifically, a little more about that. How many have heard of Randy Pausch, last lecture? A few? Okay. The Alice team, that's his team, so he's passed away now. But Randy's vision was to get virtual reality into a form that wasn't necessarily needing an NSF grant research level budget to get, $500,000 for this side with an SGI machine back here and $500,000 for this side for another machine back there. But rather, anybody that's got a computer, he wanted to get them to be able to play with virtual reality and do a 3D scene and put their own characters and script and all that stuff. That's effectively what Alice is. There's a sort of second part of that is there's about middle school that girls and boys differ. Statistically, girls tend to fall off the map on a lot of stuff that's engineering and programming and technology and science. Just at middle school level, there's kind of a male-female thing there, and we end up losing a lot of girls, which is really unfortunate. So one of the focuses of Alice is storytelling. So one of the key design points for Alice is telling stories for middle school girls, so that it's not so much here's 8,000 pages of syntax you have to memorize. It's making movies about things they care about. So the thing I think that's an interesting draw is if you want to tell a story about your family, your friends, or whatever, you've got the Sims characters you can pull in there and illustrate a story, generate a movie without typing in a bunch of code. At the end of the day, you can export Java out of that and do some really interesting things. But it's what Karen said. It's that sort of problem-solving thing underneath the covers that makes it challenging to tell a story about your family, your friends, or your boyfriend or girlfriend or whatever. So that's the draw. That's the thing I think is exciting.